वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ कि किस तरह हम एक विनिंग शॉपिफाई ड्रॉपशिपिंग प्रोडक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हैं मार्केट से, और इस प्रोडक्ट का हम डिमांड किस तरह चेक करते हैं कि इस प्रोडक्ट का डिमांड मार्केट में है या नहीं है, कितना लोग ये प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं मार्केट में, इस प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू कितना है, और इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कस्टमर क्या कहते हैं। मेंबर देखिए, ये सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं जो अभी इस वक्त टिकटॉक पे बहुत अच्छे सेल होते हैं और अभी अभी मार्केट में लॉन्च हुई है। मैं यहाँ पे some apply some filter here. Now I'm going to show you uh, Shopify dropshipping product. We are applying some filter here. Show me the product that sell in Shopify dropshipping store. Wow, these are the product that sell only in Shopify dropshipping store and not in um, the TikTok. So now I'm going to find some winning product from these product. The today days are sell very well in the market. Here is some is a also sell this one also is a TikTok. Here is a LinkedIn links. If you make a LinkedIn links and this links entered you on TikTok bio, if a customer want to buy your product, they are coming directly, and this LinkedIn link and directly come on your product landing page. So these are the very well sell. Yeah. So now I'm going to find some product that sell very well in the market. This one product. Now I'm going to select this one product and show you the proper impression. How much is the impression of this product? Is impression is a 1 million is like a 3.3k alive and 25 is coming in 55%. Now I'm going to this part of shipping store. So these are the Shopify dropshipping store. This is product. This store is made in Shopify because these are the product that sell and only as 79 product. So now I'm going to show you the product of this seller. This sell. Oh, they sell same like product. This one same, today same. These are the same like, because they sell one Shopify dropshipping store, so they make $1 million from this one Shopify dropshipping store. Because if you sell one Shopify dropshipping store, here is the Meli, and this is the logo of this product. And now I'm going to show you the new launch product of this product. This, and I'm going to show you new launch. Yeah, so these are the only product that sellers sell in this store. So if you succeed in one product, you are made millions of dollars from one product. And now I'm going to statistics. Because if you sell one product, you know about your customer demographic and your customer buying habit, and you easily control your store. If you sell multiple product, then you cannot improve your customer engagement. Now I'm going to this product in TikTok. How much love customer about this product and TikTok.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah.
So yeah, these are the popular. How much is the wow?
Boom, boom,
Six
boom.
zero
Yeah.
seven three is now this is really well, and million and price, please, price kitna hai, please, price. Everyone is ready to buy this product because everyone want to how much the price is, how much the price is. These are the very well and fantastic product. Only one product they sell in your Shopify shipping store. Now this product is Turkey. Now I'm going to translate this language in English. A mini product collection bestseller. These are the bestseller product. Uh, these are the bestseller product and sell very well in the market. सो मेंबर, इस तरीके से हम एक विनिंग प्रोडक्ट मार्केट से फाइंड कर सकते हैं और अपने शॉपिफाई ड्रॉप शिपिंग स्टोर पे सेल करते हैं। अगर तुम फाइवर या अपवर्क पे एज ए प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ये तरीका आपके लिए बहुत अहम है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वीडियो एंड इंशाल्लाह you will learn more about this video. Thanks for watching this amazing tutorial. See you next time.